Hi everybody. This video is all about graphing lines if they're written in slope-intercept form. Slope-intercept form, I have the formula written on the right side of the screen. It's y equals mx plus b, where m is the slope of the line and b is the y-intercept of the line. So in our example, we have y equals some number times x plus another number. This is slope-intercept form. In particular, the slope of our line is negative 7 over 4, and the y-intercept of our line is negative 3. I'm going to start with the y-intercept. Well, things have names for a reason. This is called the y-intercept because it's the point where our line crosses the y-axis, where it intersects the y-axis. So our line crosses the y-axis at negative 3. And from here, I'm going to count using a slope of negative 7 over 4. Well, if you remember from a previous video, the slope of a line you can interpret as rise over run. So what this means is the rise of our line is negative 7. That's the up and down distance we move, whereas the run of our line is 4. Now be aware, the number negative 7/4 is just a negative number. This negative is not tied to the number 7 in any particular way. I could just as easily interpret a slope of negative 7 over 4, as having a rise of plus 7 and a run of negative 4. In either case, rise over run is negative 7/4. Sometimes this is just a practical matter of, well, how much space do you have to draw your picture? So, because the y-intercept is negative 3, and I have this relatively small diagram, I think it would be easier to use a rise of 7 and a run of negative 4. So from the y-intercept, we're going to go to the left 4, so that's a run of negative 4, and then we're going to rise by 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have our y-intercept of negative 3, and we just constructed another point on our line. So all I have to do is connect these points, and I will have graphed my line. Anyway, that's the basics of graphing lines if they're written in slope-intercept form. Hope this helped.